I'm rebuilding my carburetors for my Honda Shadow Vt1100. It's a 2001. And my throttle diaphragm, when I bought the motorcycle, when you turned it on, it was squirting water out, well, not water, oil, gasoline out of the bottom of the motorcycle. So when I started taking the carburetor apart, I found that my throttle diaphragm, this thing, it looks like this. It's got a needle sticking out of the bottom, but that's a needle down there. It was shooting gas out of the bottom of the motorcycle, so I thought it was a float problem. Turns out this had a little slit in it. So what I did was I took some JB Weld steel stick. It's meant for patching gas cans and oil cans. So I figured the gas wouldn't hurt it, so I put a little wad on this side and a little wad on that side, and I put over 1,000 miles on this repair. And the only reason I took it out was because I was going to rebuild my carburetors today. So, but the thing is, there's nobody that shows you how to repair a throttle diaphragm, which is this part right here. It's got this needle sticking out of it. So what I did was I carefully pulled out the old one, because I ordered some from China. They were like $9 a piece instead of $100 and something that they cost here in the States. So I figured out that if you lay it in place with this little, see that little O-ring there? It's got like a built-in O-ring right here. If you set it, I don't know if you can see it from, yeah, I guess you can see it from both sides. Anyway, if you do not break this plastic here or the black one up on top. All you do is set it in place. This little tab right here, it's got to be lined up with this flat thing on the side of it. And all I'm doing is bringing it down and pressing it in with my nail. Because this one actually moves a little bit, and it's kind of tight, but as I'm just going around and I'm pressing it in with my nail, and look, it's not coming loose. If I do it on this side, look, it pops open. So if you just set it on the outside, it's not going to hold. So I figured this might help somebody who's rebuilding their carburetors and has these stupid little kits, so you don't go wind up spending I think they're $160 for each of these, because I guess people don't know that you can actually fix them. So if this saves you some money, give me a like, give me a subscribe, throw me a comment, ask me a question, send me $1. Thanks for watching.